All right, good day, guys. This is your guy Crypto Ambassador, and on today's video, I'm going to show you how to draw your rewards from the staking on UbitEx. All right. I'm sorry, I'm starting this video late. I've already done the first step before I remembered I should do a video for it. All right, but I'm going to show you what I did. That's the conversion. All right, when you open your app like this, you go to back to assets, and you can see here N. You click on it. This is where you will see the activities. All right, the activities going on about the staking. All right, so this is STUP. This is where your reward will be coming. It will be coming. Before now I was having 17 points. This UB now was here as STUB. So when you have it under STUB, what you are going to do is clicking on convert. All right, then if you want to convert everything, you click on all. That was what I did before starting this video. I'm sorry, you can see it. You can see the transaction here. So when you click on you now click on convert, it will automatically convert to this. Sorry, I was having 18.7 for STUB, so they charge 5% for conversion. So this is what I have now after converting. All right, so the next thing to do, I've already converted to UB token. So the next thing to do is to transfer this UB to my spot account. You can see from you now make this up to go up, and from N to spot. All right, you select the currency you want to. I'll be selecting UB and clicking on all, then confirm. So what I'm trying to do now is to also convert this UB token, all right, to USDT. So now I've transferred it. It's no longer on under N. So let's head over to spot. Okay, you can see the UB token here. This is UB token. All right, so this is what I will do next. Go to trade. All right, then you can, this is it, 17 points. Then you mark all, put it under market order, then select all to convert everything to USDT. All right, I will be getting 45 point something USDT. Click on sell and confirm. All right, so order placed. You can see the USDT. Let's go back to assets. So you can see I now have 45.5 USDT. So now I can now withdraw my USDT to anywhere, my Tongue Keeper, my Tongue Wallet, or anywhere I want to withdraw it. So this is how to get your funds from your N account, from your staking. All right, that is it. There is no two ways about it. Please, if you've not subscribed to my channel on YouTube, please do so, and make sure you share, turn on the notification bell, so whenever I release a video like this, you'll be the first to get notified. Join my Telegram channel and WhatsApp group for more of this. All right, thank you guys, and remain blessed. Peace out.